Welcome to another episode of What I Wore This Week, the series on my channel where I shop my closet, plan outfits for the week, and share it all with you. Do you want to play dress up? Then let's get started. This week, I wanted to dive into my uniform style of dressing. You know, those formulaic outfits that you reach for when you're trying to keep it casual but cute. Those go-tos. These aren't all of my go-to outfits, but here are a few that I've been loving lately. Sunday is the day that I water my plants, run my errands, plan for the week, and keep it low-key. I like to do the same with my outfit. I went with this striped short sleeve shirt and paired it with these black trousers. I'm really getting into wearing trousers on a regular basis. I once thought they were just for times when you wanted to dress up, those office days. I was wrong. I've been having fun finding ways to implement them into my casual outfits. I love this outfit for my easygoing days. It's simple enough for just lounging around, but also dressy enough to go out for lunch and run my errands. It's just perfect for a day like today. Monday's outfit is me wishing the cool weather would stay longer into the day so that I can justify wearing this jacket. I started with a plain gray t-shirt and paired it with this vegan leather cropped moto jacket. Both are staple pieces in my closet. I then went with these comfortable distressed jeans and finished off the outfit with a pair of black combat boots. I love these simple outfits built of wardrobe basics. There's so much you can do with these foundational pieces. This type of outfit is casual and fun, but is still pulled together enough to look like you actually tried. I think it's perfect for a Monday. Tuesday, I thought I would dress it up a bit. This outfit makes me feel like a woman who has her life organized to a T. If only it was that easy. I started with this denim button-down shirt. I love this shirt. It is a lighter material than other denim shirts that I have. It's comfortable enough for hotter days and will work for the upcoming cooler weather. I then went with these cream-colored wide leg trousers. Trust me, the comfort level of these pants is completely unreal. I'm really regretting not getting more colors. I finished the outfit off with a pair of mules and a belt. This type of outfit always feels formulaic in the best ways. It's the minimalistic look and the clean and classic lines that gives the outfit a stylish familiarity that works so well when looking for a casual but tailored outfit. I'm a sucker for an all-black outfit, and this one is simple but packs in the style, so it's definitely one of my go-tos. I started with this black t-shirt. This shirt is loose and has a more slouchy, lived-in fit to it. I love these type of shirts for casual looks. From there, I paired the t-shirt with an oversized jean jacket. The jacket keeps the outfit casual and gives it a subtle pop of color. Finishing it off, I picked a pair of black skinny jeans and sneakers. Now, I don't know about you, but I think black jeans are best when they're skinny. I like the oversized look. I have some oversized jeans, but when it comes to black jeans, I am still a skinny jean lover. Let me know what you like. This is my casual, get work done outfit, but can be dressed up with a different jacket and shoes and accessories for more of a nighttime look. Okay, truth moment. If your girl could get away with only wearing t-shirts and jeans all the time in every situation of life, I would do it without hesitation. It's my go-to uniform, my comfort area. This particular outfit is also one of my go-tos. I love that a colorful band t-shirt does all of the style heavy lifting when you put it together in your outfits. This shirt is a crop top that I thrifted a while ago. I can't even tell you how often I wear this well-loved thrifted treasure. I went with an oversized jean cuffed at the ankle and brought back those combat boots from earlier this week for a little flair. For accessories, I just went with a black belt and a fedora because you know your girl loves a fedora. This is a mishmash of an outfit, but I love it. That's the secret of band tees and graphic tees. They're the effortless pieces in your closet that work so well with your basic pants and skirts and provide such a big splash of color and style. Since I was going with my more low-key outfits for most of the week, I thought I'd jazz it up leading into the weekend. And by jazzing it up, I mean throwing on a skirt. Yes, I consider putting on a skirt jazzing things up. I'm just basic like that. I started with another of these slouchy t-shirts, but this time in white. From there, I added this skirt. Funny thing about this skirt, it was thrifted, but also thrift flipped it. It used to be one of my favorite dresses, but the top was a little too snug, so now it's my favorite skirt. I finished off the outfit with these chunky platforms and a belt. I love this outfit. It's still casual, but gives a little more style than just a t-shirt and jeans. Skirts with a t-shirt are my other go-to formulaic uniform. Just that easy outfit when I want to look nice, but still keep it comfy. Yes, she is giving us farmer market chic, honey. I only say that because this is what I wore to the farmer's market. There's something about dresses and farmer's markets that just go so well together in my head. I paired this dress with an oversized jean jacket and a pair of mules. You could easily go without the jacket and probably put on a sandal instead. If you're going for fall vibes, tights and an ankle boot would work great. That was my week. What did you wear this week? What outfit made you feel like a star? Let me know in the comments. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications to be updated every time I post. You can find me on Instagram and at my blog, vividlybright.com. This week's clothing words for thought. My body works hard to give me what I need. I will adorn her beautifully. Until next time, stay bright, live true, and be vividly you. Bye.